Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 9th, 2021. We're going to talk about Zomedica to see if this market is now undervalued. At one point, a lot of people was talking about Zomedica. A lot of YouTubers was pumping up this stock back towards the beginning of the year, telling that we're all going to be filthy millionaires and that the market's going to buy and continue to go up and continue to buy the dips. And now you hear crickets. A lot of these YouTubers ain't even talking about Zomedica stock no more. You know why? Because price went down, and now they kind of got you all holding the bag because they want to move on to more puffy rainbow everything goes up type price predictions so that they can look good on their channel, while you all are still left holding the bag in Zomedica when so many people were just pumping it up in the beginning of this year. Wow, good for them, right? They left you all out in the dust holding the bag. Don't come back in and talk about it no more because it will make them look bad. Well, for us, we don't care. We want to show you how you can do this for yourself so you don't have to be dependent on those people. You can do this for yourself and see where the market's going to go so that you can know when to get in and know when to get out. Welcome to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. We're not going to give you all those complexities. We're not going to look at earnings reports, future earnings guidance, how much revenue the company is expected to make over the next 35,000 years. No. You cannot price those things. We're not going to use technical indicators, talk about that technical analysis jargon. We're not going to show you RSIs, MACDs, moving averages, stochastics. All of that is garbage because you can't price it. The only thing that you can price is what you and I are willing to buy and sell these instruments for. That's it. You can actually gauge what everyone is trying to do when it comes to just looking at the price by itself. So let's talk about that real quick. You guys can see it. I'm not hiding anything from you all. We did a price prediction in Zomedica all the way back on July the 15th. July the 15th. Check it out. You guys can see our prediction. We're not hiding anything from our community. We want to show you that, yeah, you can do this for yourself and it doesn't have to be complicated. Check this out. We was telling you all back in July, hey, play the weakness. We're looking for the price to go down in Zomedica. Check that out. You guys don't have to take my word for it. It is still available to see in our Zomedica playlist. Go back and see it. 21% right here. We told you all to play the weakness into the market in Zomedica, and it has done that. Pretty good call. And not only was it a good call, it's because we kind of saw where the market in Zomedica was going to be able to hold support, and it's right there at 50 cents. So if you guys saw what we did on July the 15th in regards to the price predictions for Zomedica, and you said, okay, we're looking for the price to go down, we would have gotten 21% as price went down. We would have came and bought the market in Zomedica at 50 cents. And right now, if we would have came in and bought the market in Zomedica when it came and hit 50 cents, right, we'll be up 15% right now. This is how you're able to time the markets. This is how you're able to grab the bag when it's needed. This is how you're able to determine when to minimize losses. Like, it doesn't take a lot of confusion or complexities. It doesn't involve all of that. So let's talk about this real quick because the market may actually continually go up in Zomedica, right? We already got a firm area support. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to follow what market has done. The market is not lying to us. Even though many people think that it's manipulated in a way that we can actually see what's going to happen. It's not manipulated to where we'll lose. No, we just don't know how to read charts. That is where the issue comes in at. So we got 50 cents. See, the market is already telling us where it enjoyed buying this stock, 50 cents. Cool. Because with that already being seen and known, we now understand that as long as price in Zomedica holds 50 cents, we can expect two things to happen. Either we're going to continue to see this market trade this way, or the market is going to do this, like we're already seeing. It's going to go up. Those are the two things that can happen now in the market in Zomedica, because the market has already confirmed that the buyers came in around 50 cents. They wasn't willing to drop the price below 50 cents. And we've done that for a couple of weeks, starting in September. So from September the 20th all the way until November the 3rd, this market has just been holding 50 cents. That simply means that people were buying the market in Zomedica. So you're not seeing YouTubers talking about this stock anymore. But once we see another 20% rise in price, then all of a sudden you're going to see these YouTubers pop back up and say that, yeah, now it's the time to come in and buy the market. When you need to come in when the market is dead, you need to come in and grab the bag right before anyone else starts talking about it. Right now, nobody's talking about Zomedica, but we are. So check this out. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. You guys can see we got earnings coming up on the 16th of November. All right. So seeing how the market has been pretty much a dead market, maybe the market may actually play on this news right here on September the 16th to November the 16th to where we can see some upward price movement in Zomedica. Maybe. Now let's show this on the 2-day time frame real quick. Okay, so this is the 2-day time frame into the market in Zomedica, and so far in the next 9 hours, if we're able to have this 2-day price bar right here close at the high of the bar, we're still going to go up in price, right? The first hurdle is already at 60 cents. So I'm here to tell you that 60 cents is an issue in the market in Zomedica. Okay, it is. But for us to see this increase in volume on this 2-day price bar, and we're still able to close toward the high of the bar, kind of lets me know that this market's trying to go up, right? Appreciate that information. So let's check this out on a 3-day then. 3-day time frame right here. So the market right here in Zomedica is still seeing sellers. So it's not like we're out the woods of seeing this price go down, but we got a cushion now. We got 50 cents to continually watch in this market to let us know if we're going to continue to go lower, or can we see a small bounce to the upside, right? So we got 60 cents first. That's the first hurdle. Second hurdle is 65. Okay, that's it. 65 cents. Then I'm seeing 7. I definitely can see the market in Zomedica trying to hit 70 cents. Okay, so this is the 5-day time frame right here into the market in Zomedica. You guys can see right here off the spread, the volume is decent. We was able to close up here higher than where we've been since September. So, I mean, we got a little bit more juice in the tank for us to see this price go up. Weekly time frame. Check this out. Last couple of weeks, yeah, there's been sellers, but there's been buyers here as well in Zomedica. Now, am I telling you that the price is going to hit $2 and $3? No, I'm not going to give you that type of price prediction. We're not like those running the mill YouTube people that just trying to pump up stocks and try to make you all like you're going to be filthy rich. That's not us. We're looking for the price to maybe hit 65, 70 cents. That's about it. Okay. Now, as we see the market approach those levels, then yeah, we can continually ride the market to higher prices. No one's saying to jump out the ship as we see the market go up. If we're still seeing the strength, then we keep the play going. There's no need for us to exit out the play when we can see that the market is going up. So let's see what we got. Okay. So we already said that 50 cents is where it's at. Okay. As long as the price in Zomedica is able to trade above 50 cents, we can look for the price to go up. Okay. So as we come back down, yeah, we'll be down 14.66%. But if we still see buyers coming at 50 cents, then it's just going to take the play longer for us to move up to where our price targets are at. But we're still golden because we didn't break 50 cents to the downside. So the first spot that we're looking for the market to go in Zomedica, I would say it's up here around 63.5, 64 cents. Okay, just give you a nice round number, 65. That's the first spot. Second area was 70 cents. Okay, that is the area that we're looking for the market in Zomedica to go. Now, can we see the market go a lot higher than that? Yeah, we can. But we first need to overcome these price levels first. 63.5, 64 cents, 65 cents. Then the next level will be 70. Now, outside of 70 cents, right? Next spot will be 80, 81 cents. That's 40% movement to the upside from where the market is right now. Now, I'm not going to move the market up there just yet. I want to see how much juice we have to see whether or not Zomedica is going to be able to break 65 cents to the upside. All right. So we got two price targets, 63.5, 65 cents. Second area is 70. All right. This is the newest price prediction that we are garnering into the market for Zomedica. Now it's your turn. Simple. Drop me your price prediction for Zomedica. What do y'all think the market's going to be in the next 3 weeks? I mean, let's not make this confusing. Just drop the price prediction. Try to learn how to do this for yourself and not be dependent on someone else to try to give you the information. All right. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.